Hey guys, it's Ashley. I'm sorry that I had to put 2 videos up today, but I did my first video and then I also vlogged today, so I had to put 2 videos up today. I'm gonna usually do one, maybe one a day or like one a week or something, but I hope you enjoyed today's vlog.
I'm gonna die. It's not even going anywhere.
True surfers go down snow hills. Wipe out!
Dang. I'm frozen.
It's cold.
Is this going on YouTube?
Yep.
Chirp, chirp. Whose iPod is that?
Carly's.
Oh.
Needed the video camera for the day. Didn't want to bring my camera out.
No.
You know what's worth it is to carry my camera around?
Oh, shut up.
You're so pretty.
It's so pretty.
I said you're so pretty.
Oh, I am?
Yeah, your face like Come on.
What? Say what?
Snow Blizzard 2014.
Snow blows?
Blizzard!
Snow Blizzard 2014!
Snow Blizzard 2014.
Isn't this freaking cold outside? Like this is
So again, I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment below what you want to see in my next video. Bye guys!